Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Converting long video to short videos, it can be a challenge. And it's never been so easy, simple and free. But in today's video, I'm going to show you a method how to convert your long video into multiple shorts for your TikTok, for your Facebook Reel, for your YouTube shorts. I'm talking about an amazing and powerful AI tool that has been added by CapCut to their CapCut. So it is an amazing, powerful tool and free. You can now for free and for unlimited. Later on it become paid, but for now it is completely and totally free. So first of all, you need to open your CapCut app. So if you know, you can also use their online tool like CapCut in browser, but I will recommend the CapCut app because it is more smoother and easy interface. So open your CapCut. And now you see the easy interface. And here you can see long video, 2 sharps, okay? So just click on that option. Okay, so now you can see here drag and drop file here. You can also drag and drop from Google Drive, Dropbox, space. Okay, so if you have already a file in your PC memory gallery, so you can drag and drop here. Just click on that. Okay, so now head with a folder in which you have file long video. Okay, so our video has been uploaded here. Now below some option you can see likes. But you can set the duration for short, how many shot, that means that the duration, how much will be the duration. So you can set here the duration like 60 seconds, and also other option you can observe and you can notice. Okay, and you can leave it auto. So it will auto short, it will make the video into auto sharps. So just click on convert. Okay, so creating short may take some time, but you can see. So you can also go back to the home, clicking on the back to home button, and you can see later on the previous projects. So just wait for a few seconds or a few minutes. It will take some time, and then you will see the amazing results. Okay, so as you can see, I will tell you something more. So, here you can see time left. So you can upload here per month 60 minutes of video. That means that if you have a long video contains 60 minutes, so you can convert that into sharps all per month. That means, for example, you have given 60 minutes per month. So you can use that in any way. For example, you have 1 minute long video, you have 2 minute long video, you have 3 minute long video, and so on. So you can use just 60 minutes, and I think this is a proper and very much for the small creators. So and you can also, it supports many more than 20 languages. So if you have English language or Spanish language, Arabic language, Urdu language, so you can also upload here, and because it has the supporting of more than 20 languages. And also you can see upload a video under
So how that
3 hours
you
and
may
plenty.
understand what I'm saying to you, that using ChatGPT on PC you can generate unlimited images. If you found this video helpful, get it a like and subscribe to the channel, as I'm exposing AI tool that nobody can talk about.
Okay, so the video has been converted into multiple charts. You can see 4 charts. So just click on that. And now you can
If
see
you
the
found
number of
this
charts.
video helpful, just
So the
give
video,
it a like and don't forget
it
to
depends on the
to
length of the
subscribe this
video.
channel
So
for
my
more
video
AI
that
tools
I
and creative
uploaded
tutorials.
was around 4 to 5 minutes. So it converted the video, the long video, into multiple 4 charts. So now the number is of exporting. So just click on export button. Okay, so just click on export, and the recommended size and format you can see. You can also change here like the resolution to 4K and 2K. Also you can change many things like recommended for the trade, the higher custom low or recommended. And also you can change format, frame rate, or many things you can change here. And also you can export as a GIF, GIF. And finally, just click on export. You can also publish on your TikTok, YouTube directly from CapCut. Okay, so this is the complete method though, and I'm very sorry that I couldn't able to show you the complete method of exporting and also publishing on YouTube, TikTok, because the internet speed is very slow. So you can export on this way. The first video I have exported.